Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have the update for the Microsoft Edge browser for the week. And at the same time, it's to remind everybody that's using a Chromium-based browser, that means everything except Firefox, you need to check for an update to make sure that you stay safe. Upper right corner on the browser, and go down to Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge. You will be moved to version 150.0.4078.83. This has bug fixes and also the weekly Chromium security fixes that were in Chromium, and of course the ones in Google Chrome this week. So this, of course, helps you to stay safe. There were a few that were critical. Critical means it's super easy to exploit once the bad guys know what it is. So it's extremely important to make sure that you update your browsers. It is your first line of defense. It is where you go. You use to go on the internet. So by keeping it safe, you're keeping yourself safe at the same time. And, of course, this is for, browsers like Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on, and, of course, Edge. So every Chromium browser should be having this week security updates. If it's not already done, it should be there soon. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.